Welcome to EncycloHub. In this video, we will discuss about the Carnatic music TMAs. Before starting this, I want to share something. We are providing the PDF and the handwritten assignments. For this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, which is 900-936-8238. Now, let's discuss about the questions answers. Here, you can see the papers in which there are total 6 questions. 1, 2, and 3 questions. You need to write in the 40 to 60 words. Question number 4 and question number 5, you need to write in the 150 words. And question number 6, this is a project-based answer. You need to write into 500 words. If you are looking for the answers, you can contact us anytime so that we will provide all the answers accordingly. If you have other queries, we are here for help you. You can contact us anytime. We are here for 24/7. Thank you so much for watching.